Hi guys, I hope you're doing really well. Welcome to another
Wind Up Wednesday! Yes, we nailed that.
Oh, my end, it was really delayed.
What was it? Oh,
Yeah.
It looked like we nailed it. We'll find out, won't we?
We'll find out when it records. How are you doing, Chris?
I am very good, thank you. I am doing very well.
Did you have a good Father's Day?
Yeah, it was good actually. Nice lie-in, virtual church. I got my favourite lunch made for me, which is what sandwich? What saffron? Sorry, I'm just getting it.
What sandwich, Saffron?
Still thinking of sandwiches because this thing honestly was epic, like monster sandwich. And then James made me this. Check this out. You see that? Look at that, what James made.
That's amazing.
That all by himself.
Yeah. That's pretty impressive. Well done, James.
So it was pretty good. It was pretty good. Happy days. Did you have a good Father's weekend week?
Yeah, I mean it's just another day for me because I have a dad, so it was a great weekend.
Oh, made that awkward. Sorry.
Yeah. It's all good. It's all good. What are we doing this week's challenge? I'm the current reigning champion. I would like to remind everybody.
You are.
So you need to try and win it back this week. So
today we are going to do spoon frogs. You know what spoon frog is, Saffron?
No, explain it to me.
Spoon frogs is basically where we have two spoons and we've got to try and get one of them in a cup. All right, simple. All you got to do is just hit it until it flips into the cup. Let me just, can I move my camera? Let me just adjust. All right, just there. All right, so all you got to do is hit it. So that's one in. Look at that. That was like, oh, brilliant. So the idea is to either we'll set a time limit. This is awkward. I haven't done that. We'll set a time limit, and whoever has the most spoons or the first to three. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So it's going to get noisy. It's going to get crazy. It's going to be spoons flying around everywhere. But I'll set my timer, and then the first to go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. No, this isn't good. This is a good start.
No, this isn't my bed.
Right everywhere. Spoons, come on. Spoon frog.
It's not going up.
It's falling down.
Right, this is not as easy as I thought it would be.
That's why I set a timer. Come on, come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, so close!
Oh, so close. So close, my spoon's gone everywhere.
So
Got one in.
got one in.
Yeah, I got one in.
Bouncing out.
Yeah, I'll allow it. If it bounces out, have it.
Like on top, it doesn't properly go in.
2, there we go.
Oh no.
Number 3. Come on, spoon frog. Nearly bounced off the laptop.
No, mine keeps it keyboard.
Everybody see that?
Have you got all 3?
All 3. That,
Not happy.
ladies and
I've not even got one.
So Saffron, that trophy needs to head this way.
The imaginary trophy.
Yeah, it is imaginary. But it's still coming back. It's coming back home where it belongs, baby.
I think we're fairly level. I think you're maybe 1 or 2 ahead of me.
Shut up, fairly level.
I'll go back and count them all and see.
We've had this is the 7th one. You've won 2.
No, I've won drawing, pillow fight, last week's one, and the gargle worship song was.
Shut your face! Did you win the gargle worship one?
No, I said that one's a tie.
How's that a tie? I am the only one that guessed the correct song.
I knew the lyrics. So I think that's a tie.
Ladies and gentlemen, Saffron is a sore loser. She's trying to claim wins that she blatantly weren't hers. Anyway.
You agreed with me. Thank you.
Thank you for joining for another Wind Up Wednesday. Chris Burgess, champion yet again. Saffron, maybe next week. We'll
Only
see.
for a week.
Join us next week, guys. God bless. Take care. Stay safe.
Bye.